Oh, hey guys, it's been too long. Well, how's it going, guys? My name is Mac, proud owner of Cherry Bomb, and I haven't done a vlog in a long time, and I put a poll up on my story yesterday asking if you guys wanted me to vlog about going to Roachwerkz garage to help him reorganize his whole setup, and y'all said yes, so I figured good of a time as ever to jump back in and do a vlog. So we're gonna head out to Manassas and help Ricky out at Roachwerkz garage and get his setup better. So let's go. Alright, so if you don't keep up with the Instagram, you're probably wondering why I'm in a different Tacoma. Well, old Cherry Bomb 1.0, it was time to go. So we're on to 2.0. This is a 2021 TRD off-road, and that's now the new face of Cherry Bomb. If you guys want me to make a video about all that and stuff, let me know. But also you're probably wondering why the heck I'm going all the way out to Manassas to help Ricky. Well, Ricky is a great friend, and he's helped me with this truck and the last truck tremendously, and he usually doesn't charge me a dime for it. So we've been talking about reorganizing his garage for about a year, and so today we're finally gonna do it. We're about 50 minutes out, and let's hit the road. Alright, I wanted to talk to y'all about a few other things real quick. Thing is that I'm going to be at the Overland Expo East, so if you're out there, say hello. And then next weekend I'll be at Flagpole Knob, and hopefully I'll be vlogging for that as well. So some videos coming up soon. Alright, we've made it. Let's go see what the workload is going to look like for today. Okay, then let's make today's goal to get the paths clear and start to clean off the bed cover.
Right, because the bed cover is what's abominated the worst.
And then this will hopefully make the truck sellable and ready to roll out of here.
Right, that's basically, I gotta get it.
This truck is going to GUAM. Pretty cool. Alright, so we're already making some progress. This has, since I've known him for about a year and a half, this has not been, there's always been stuff here. So we're clearing that out. He's basically had those two speakers sitting in boxes, and eventually the end goal for the garage is to get it painted up all the way. You can see it's painted the white, red, gray, just like a Toyota garage. And so the goal is to have those two speakers that are in the driveway, one there and one there in the corner. But obviously there's stuff in the way, and then like I was saying earlier, this truck is possibly getting sold, so the goal is to get everything off of it, kind of made a workbench out of the stuff on the bed cover to get that cleared off so that this truck can roll out. It runs completely and it's ready to roll. It's not missing any parts. It's just been used for storage, and you can see that it's got battery charger on it, so the battery hasn't been sitting either. But got it still cleared out, so progress is being made. Alright, so the front, we got this area cleared off and swept and all clean, and now we're working towards getting everything of the truck cleaned and moved away. So there's some stuff, some of the bigger stuff that's going to go up in the attic, or some stuff that's going to go in the shed in the back, but we're making more progress. Alright, so we're working on the bed of the truck. Got most of the tools off, and then like I said, some of the stuff is going to go upstairs in the parts organization. So as you saw, we got a lot of stuff out of here. We moved a lot of it up into the part storage upstairs, and now, since this is on jack stands, we are going to get it off so we can get this truck ready to sell. All right, move the truck up. Let's see what we got in the back to deal with. There's another reservoir there. There's one there, and some other goodies to sort through. that's gonna wrap it up for today. As you can see, Ricky just has a bunch of stuff. He's been in the Toyota game for over 20 years, so he's got a lot that he's collected, and he's at the point where he needs to get everything organized, and he needs to start to sell off and give away stuff that he no longer needs. But that's gonna wrap it up for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching and learning with me as I jump back into vlogging. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, you can watch my other vlogs on my channel. And yeah, God bless. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. That's good. So